Hi, welcome to NITTT and Online SWAYAM Module 7 Creative Problem Solving Innovation and Meaningful R&D Graded Assessment 6 Question 1. Which of the following sampling methods is not based on probability? Option A, snowball sampling. Option B, cluster sampling. Option C, stratified random sampling. Option D, simple random sampling. And correct option is option A, snowball sampling. Question 2. When you select every nth unit from population, the sampling technique used is referred to as option A, purposive sampling, option B, simple random sampling, option C, systematic sampling, option D, cluster sampling. And correct option is option C, systematic sampling. Question 3. Which technique is generally followed when the researcher specifies a characteristic of population and tries to locate individual possessing that characteristic? Option A, systematic sampling. Option B, purposive sampling. Option C, area sampling. Option D, convenience sampling. And correct option is option B, purposive sampling. Question 4. A good measuring instrument should be option A, reliable, option B, valid, option C, feasible, option D, all of the above. And correct option is option D, all of the above. Question 5. To arrive at the content of the questionnaire, researcher should start from option A, research question, option B, study purpose, option C, criterion question, option D, questionnaire item. And correct option is option B, study purpose. Question 6. Measuring instruments are option A, devices used to record information, option B, devices used to quantify information, option C, both option A and B, option D, neither option A nor option B. And correct option is option C, both option A and B. Question 7. Assuming that you are conducting a study on the industry and there are cities in the state where there is a high concentration of industry and there are cities where there is a less concentration of industry, which of the following sampling technique would you prefer to select a sample for the study? Option A, simple random sampling. Option B, purposive sampling. Option C, quota sampling. Option D, cluster sampling. And correct option is option D, cluster sampling. Question 8. If the population consists of three different age groups, that is below 25 years, 25 to 45 years and 45 to 65 years, and the numbers is 200, 150 and 250 respectively, you intend to select a sample of 300 using proportionate random sample technique. The number selected in each category will be option A, 100, 100, 100. Option B, 100, 75, 125. Option C, 75, 100, 125. Option D, 125, 100, 75. And correct option is option B, 100, 75, 125. Question 9. To validate the data collected through questionnaires, the researcher can option A, take interviews of selected sample. Option B, make observations of the ongoing process or resources. Option C, both option A and B. Option D, neither option A nor option B. And correct option is option C, both option A and B. Question 10. The interviewer should observe and interpret respondents. Option A, verbal responses. Option B, non-verbal responses. Option C, both option A and B. Option D, neither option A nor option B. And correct option is option C, both option A and B. Thanks for watching.